And Andy's with us today.
Yes, sir.
Let's go, let's go.
I got it from like the beauty spots, like, you know, when you go to like a hair store, hair salon store.
I have it, yeah,
About
but
to load
I know
up.
they got everything.
We haven't.
The highway, John.
The eye wave. Today we're helping out Xavier HVAC over here in Maryland. We subcontract and we help them out on the weekends or even on the weekdays. Today is Thursday and we're doing a furnace and AC. And let me see here. Getting started. Furnace, AC, and we got Angel and Andy over there, starting over there with the recovery. So let's get going. Let's get going. Furnace inside here with the AC coil. This is being replaced. Alright, so let's cut this off right here. This is gonna be all new basically. This is gonna be replaced or replaced. So let's put that over here for right now. Let's keep that right there for now. And they're done with the recovery outside, so we're gonna go ahead and cut these out of here. Cut these out. I don't know if you guys can see this one. Okay, let's just get this out the way. Yikes. My phone. Yeah, we got the bit. You got the bit.
Yep. Here.
Yeah.
Oh, no, I think you got it.
Oh, okay.
It's not extra. Oh, Andy Brody. My fault. Never mind. You're good. You're good.
So I'm putting all the screws I find over here. I don't want to leave them on the floor.
Okay.
Or something like
Like
that.
I said. That's quick.
Down.
Yeah, those the metal. Yeah, we kind of flatten it out just to make more space in the van, so it's not too packed up. At least yeah, like the box, we could cut them up and kind of fold them
Gotcha.
flat. And the coils,
Clean that up, that way you-
Savi will show you how to cut that one up. I need, well, I think there is. I seen a little broom down there. I think Xavier gave us another condensate pump. Double check that. Yeah.
Attention.
You good? That's why you good? Or do I open this up more? Sideways. Let me know. Sorry. Yep. Than actually being too close.
This we don't cut. What happened? You got it? You
Yeah.
want to set it down and turn it?
Yeah, I should be good here. I should be able to get it in precision and stuff like that. Open it up out there, cut out there. Once I get the transition, it'd be too bad. Wire. So okay, cool. They're all the same size here. Well, we start off with, what is it? Is it 17 by 24? So yeah. Until I'll fight you. Nope.
You guys done with this right here?
Hold on, something. There we go. Slide that in like this.
She hit the corner and she had an
Let me get that bar,
AK in
Sabi.
her hand.
The long.
She had the what?
She had an AK, bro. What am I dreaming about right now?
Stuff like that. One time I had a dream. I was with Brian, bro. I don't know if a deal went wrong for a car or something like that, bro. It was like in an alleyway, but I remember, bro. I don't even think I told him.
I remember that I saw something on Facebook or YouTube somewhere that said, like one of those memes, you know, Facebook.
Bro, you know.
Just staring you down and you get that.
They was looking at me, you know what I mean?
Right? So I had that weird feeling like, yo, somebody's looking at me. But on the bed, so like around us, I said, ooh. That's a bit, and it's crazy because
Like, you know you.
Nah, it's okay right there. It's okay right there.
you had anything else crazy happen to you, Andy?
That was my. I promise you, bro. Nah, I was super fast, but I was. Here's like scary dreams. I feel like I had so many, bro. But it wasn't even. I was like, so I was walking forward. Then I said, oh heck no.
Garden Angel or
Like people are scared of angels. Like fire pain, like so. It's crazy. For myself, like, and I was,
Yeah.
but I was
Right here,
It
estimator.
was a demon laughing at him. When he was doing good.
Ivana was like.
How's your head, sir?
Ivana, that same day, he attacked.
It's almost like you can also like, no matter how like, so like my story was like, wow, that's
The espiritual, you don't see it, but the enemy's gonna come after you when when God's preparing to do something for you as well. I mean, he'll come after you.
Ashley,
You want me to take it off?
this is down the hallway. Yeah, you got me. Yep, you can take it off completely.
Funny story. He said.
Just a little bit that way. You're good on it. Thank you. No.
Got it?
It went,
Straight
yeah,
down.
yeah, it came off the side, but I mean, you could do
Right?
You're done.
primer. I got it. You must have forgot.
So what was your eyes?
I was born in it. That went hard.
Yeah, he's tough,
No,
Man,
but
it's
that
tough.
whole-
Yeah.
Crazy. I was like, you know, like those videos where you be watching celebrities doing the interviews and they're like on some stuff. What's her name? I think it's Ricky. He just couldn't breathe.
Couldn't break the cycle.
He couldn't.
Took over his body.
Yeah, like he couldn't break the
Yeah, that's
weeks or something crazy and nutty.
I should have put the one in the back now. Put the one in the
right. No,
back.
he didn't die.
Same process.
He never broke character.
Oh, really?
Is you check the temperature in the supply here, and then you take this off and you put this on the return. Probably why they got this here. Stick that in there. Oh yeah, this we could tape that up too. That's the exhaust. We put a little piece of tape.
The clear tape? Silver
That silver tape. Yeah, that's silver tape.
Good
Too
day
crazy, right?
today. Nah, it was pretty easy. You know what I mean? With the help of John Savi, anything is possible, right?
Yeah. I got you. This is the outdoor unit here. All finished up. Ready to go. Then we're gonna be changing this one out hopefully sometime soon.
She said November.
Oh,
She
November.
said the fall time she wants to switch it out again.
Okay.
Yeah, she
Okay.
said she wants to insulate the attic first.
Yep. And I did take some pictures of the upstairs.
I hate that, bro. I don't.
But you could add more patties, so if you wanted one, you can, technically.